The benefits of figs are it contains protein, fiber, iron among the other nutrients. It helps to lower the cholesterol level and control blood sugar levels. And these are also beneficial for weight loss. Soya is known for having high protein content. It exceeds more than eggs, meat and milk. So after knowing the benefits of both of these, I made a recipe with a twist. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today is a very interesting recipe, molten kebabs with fig sauce. Hope you will enjoy it. Ingredients. For this we are using semolina, red chili, salt as per taste, finely chopped onion and capsicum, black pepper, mixed herbs and soya nutrela. I have prepared this by adding nutrela chunks to water and then boiling it, and I have also added some salt to it. After that I have washed it in water and then I grinded it. So these are the kebabs that I made after mixing all the ingredients. I have also used sweet onion sauce and garlic granules in it. So keep it in the freezer for 1 hour and after that shallow fry it. So after keeping it in freezer for 1 hour, I have dusted some semolina on the top of the kebabs and now I'm going to shallow fry it. Now I have added 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan for shallow frying the kebabs. Please fry on the medium flame to get the best results. I'm going to shallow fry these kebabs. Fry till it becomes golden brown from both sides. Ingredients for fig sauce. So here we will be using sugar, star anise, figs and pinch of salt. Now we will be making fig sauce. So for that, in the pan I am adding half bowl of water. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar and star anise to it. Once sugar is melted, now I am adding 3 figs to it. Now we will cook it for some time. Now we are adding a pinch of salt to it. After cooking for 2 minutes, we will keep it aside for some time to let it cool and then we will grind it to make a sauce. Ingredients for all-purpose flour ring used for decoration purpose. So here we will be using all-purpose flour, some baking soda, a pinch, sesame seeds and mixed herbs. So this is the dough that we will be using for making a ring. So we prepared the ring shape as I am showing it to you. Now I will keep it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can either bake it or fry it depending upon your own taste. So I am going to bake it. Baby, take it easy. Now we are baking the rings in it. Baby, take it easy. These are the kebabs which we get after shallow frying. You can see the nice golden brown color of it, and this is the fig sauce that we have prepared after crushing the figs, and these are the sesame seeds that we will be using for decoration purpose or for the plating. Now I am applying fig sauce to the kebabs. Now I am sprinkling some sesame seeds over on the top of it. So these are the molten kebabs with sesame seeds, and I have also used a ring, and over that I have used white sesame seeds as well as black sesame seeds. So hope you will like this recipe. Food for thought. So stay healthy by eating healthy and tasty food. So if you like this recipe, kindly subscribe share, comment, and like. Thank you.
Baby, take it easy. You see me when you see me. Baby, take it easy. You see me when you see me.